That's exactly the kind of hesitation you have on these cold mornings that we get. Sometimes here in Michigan it gets really cold, and you end up having to just sort of cross your fingers that things are going to work. In fact, I can see right now I've got looks like a low tire there. I'm gonna have to get the air compressor on that in a minute. Get out of the cold here a minute. Well, not that it's any warmer here in the Jeep. It sits outside all the time, and that's exactly the kind of conditions that are really hard on fuel systems. This Jeep is now, it's coming up on 20 years old. It's a Liberty, and a lot of people make fun of these things, I think, when they first came out, but to be honest, this thing's been a real tank. It's been through multiple accidents. Fuel systems. This kind of temperatures where you've got really cold, we're single digits, and it's going to get even minus single digits shortly in the next couple days. This thing sits outside a good portion of the week without being driven. You want to keep it mostly around full because it gives less area for condensation in the fuel tank. But I can't swear I'm always doing that. It's probably, well, right now it is full, but often it's down probably partial tank. It's terrible for condensation in the fuel, getting water in the fuel. Fuel can go bad in as little as 30 days. I've just gotten in the habit of trying to put STA-BIL in my portable fuel tanks for the tractor and the snowblower, the lawnmower, and I've always used STA-BIL. It's been an American company for, I think, its entire existence. Golden Eagle is a family-owned company in Chicago, Illinois, and I've honestly, knock on wood, I've never had any fuel problems. I've never actually had any fuel pump problems either. Now that I've said that, I've probably just jinxed it. I think it has a lot to do with putting STA-BIL in. There's STA-BIL 360 protection, has been around for a while, and you can put that in a vehicle. It just keeps the fuel from going bad sooner. It usually keeps it good for about 12 months, hence the name 360. The regular STA-BIL storage keeps the fuel good for 2 years. Put it in like a tractor or snowblower or lawnmower or vehicle, and then run it for like 5 minutes to make sure that fuel with the STA-BIL treatment in it gets all the way through the fuel system. So that's something to remember. Anyway, we gotta get going here. I gotta put some air in that tire. I get my STA-BIL from a local large big box store for us here in Michigan, the Midwest, and I always pick up the big container because I've always got vehicles that are always using it. I'm always amazed at how things like small engines will really be susceptible to fuel problems. Lawnmowers, but in particular snowblowers. I can't tell you how many times I've had colleagues, friends, coworkers ask me advice about why their snowblower is not working. They can't get it to keep running. Like 9 out of 10 times. I ask if they left fuel in it from the previous winter. Usually they have. I know I'm guilty of doing that as well. Winter ends oddly here in Michigan, and we go right into warm weather, and next thing I know, I'm mowing. It can happen. I will often say, look, drain the old fuel out. Use a turkey baster or something to suck it out, and then go get some fresh fuel and immediately put in some STA-BIL. They'll come back the next day and say, hey, works like a champ. I know my snowblower is really susceptible to it. It just runs so much stronger with STA-BIL. It really does work, and I do put a lot of confidence in it almost my entire life, not just my driving life. Even in this day and age, as we go electrification, even with your hybrids, I think it's worth putting the STA-BIL in. Just keep that internal combustion engine maybe small, but all the more reason it needs that treatment. I hope this helps, and we'll check you out in the next video.